Ready? Start. This appeal has been filed by the defendants in the civil suit challenging the judgment dated 28/4/2009 of Madras High Court in second appeal number 39 of 2009, by which judgment the High Court had allowed the second appeal of the plaintiff, setting aside the judgment of the first appellate court dated 26/11/2008 in AS number 172 of 2005 and restoring the judgment dated 6/2/2004 in original suit number 188 of 2002 of the trial court, decreeing the suit full stop para. Parties shall be referred to as referred in the original suit full stop. Brief facts of the case giving rise to this appeal are that plaintiff, who is the respondent in this appeal, filed original suit number 188 of 2002 in the court of district Munsif, praying for permanent injunction interdicting the defendants from disturbing the peaceful possession and enjoyment of the plaintiff over the suit property full stop para. The suit property was measuring 1777 square feet, comprising in survey number 172 full stop. Plaintiff's case in the suit was that suit property originally belonged to one Dasi Naidu, son of Thalam Naidu, who went to Sri Lanka as a farm labor and died at Sri Lanka full stop. The son of Dasi Naidu came to India in 1981 and entrusted the suit property and other properties to one Ghani Sahib, who had been managing and enjoying the properties full stop para. The plaintiff claimed to have purchased the suit property by registered deed on 16/7/2001 for a valid consideration from the descendants of Dasi Naidu full stop. The plaintiff's father case was that the first defendant was formerly military serviceman, and the second defendant, who was son-in-law of the first defendant, working as constable in police department, attempted to disturb the plaintiff's peaceful possession and enjoyment over the suit property full stop. Hence, the suit was filed full stop. The documents filed along with the plaint were power of attorney executed by legal heirs of Dasi Naidu dated 22/5/2001, sale deed dated 16/7/2001 and sale deed dated 14/3/1946 in favor of Dasi Naidu, and house tax receipt dated 27/2/2001 full stop para. Defendant number 1 filed written statement refuting the claim of the plaintiff, defendant admitted that suit property belonged to Dasi Naidu full stop. The defendant pleaded that registered sale deed dated 16/7/2001 itself is a fabricated and forged one full stop. So called legal heirs, descendants of Dasi Naidu, as alleged in sale deed, are fictitious and are not true legal heirs of the said Dasi Naidu full stop. The title of the suit property is itself questionable, the plaintiff along with Ghani Sahib has fabricated two special powers, and plaintiff under order 7 Rule 14 of CPC with the said documents had filed suit full stop para. The defendants in the written statement had set up the claim that Dasi Naidu's son Sanjeevi Naidu had entrusted the suit property and other properties to one Rangraju Naidu by a registered power of attorney, who later died, leaving behind his only legal heir, Mrs. Arjuna Devi, who died leaving behind her daughters, full stop. Defendant number 1 on behalf of her 3 daughters filed a suit against the Ghani Sahib, questioning his tenancy, which suit was dismissed and had been taken in appeal, being AS number 297 of 1994.